Hey guys, you can actually make tons of money if you're actually going to implement these tricks that I'm going to show you on P2P marketplace. So what you need to do, nothing else, is just to stay tuned to this video, watch it step by step, because I'm going to take you through step by step on how to actually do this and make money to yourself. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. What I do in this channel is I promote crypto updates such as exchanges, arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, airdrops, and so on and so forth. So please just like and share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, don't forget to turn on the notification button because you will be getting notified anytime I post new videos like this. Okay, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. First of all, what you need to do is to click on where you see p2p trading here. It's going to take you to p2p interface where you see merchants that you complete your trade with. So we are waiting for it to load. Okay, boom, it's loading. You can see, okay, just actually opened. I'm using okx for this arbitrage. You can actually use any crypto exchange of your choice, be it Bybit, KuCoin, k.io, anyone that has p2p features on it. You can actually use it. So okay, let's start this with $100 and see the profit we are going to make. So first of all, what want to buy USDT? First of all, I need to click on amount to filter the amount I actually want to buy. Let's say 100. Let's say from 130k. Okay, this merchant is selling to you at the rate of 1247 naira. Then you are going to buy from this merchant right now. So this is how your interface will look like. So what you need to do, let's include the quantity instead of the amount. Just click on the quantity here. Okay, that is just that. Once you click on the quantity, let's insert 100 USDT. 100 USDT. With our 100 USDT, we are going to pay 124,788 naira. So that's what we are going to pay. So just have that in mind. So after receiving 100 USDT at the rate of 124,788 naira, what you need to do is to move down to your convert box or to your trading section to actually convert this to USDT. So let me take you through on how to do that. Okay, once you come down to this home page, what you need to do is to click on trade. Just click on trade and it will take you to an interface where you are going to trade your USDT for BTC, or you actually go and convert it if you want to convert. So this is what I will do. I will now insert 100 USDT. With our 100 USDT, you are going to receive 0.0015208 worth of BTC. So you now click on, let's copy it. After copying the value that we will get with our 100 USDT, let's move back to our P2P section and actually complete this trade. So before I move further to show you what you need to do, OG, abeg, help me click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button because you will be getting updates like this anytime I drop a new video. Okay, you have subscribed. Oh, thank you very much. I love you. But let's continue our journey. Once you are here, what you need to do is to click on this. You are seeing USDT. Change the USDT to BTC. Once you change it to BTC, this time around we are not going to sell directly. I know a lot of people were thinking that they are going to sell directly. No, see, let me tell you one thing. One thing in life is that if you want to make money in life, you need to be consistent. You need to work hard. Nothing is actually simple. It is when you find opportunity you actually take it. Okay, what you need to do is to come here and click on ads. If you actually want me to do a video on how to create ads or post ads, I can actually do that for you. Just signify on the comment box, say hi, I want you to do video on how to post an ads. I will do that for you. What you need to do is to click here, click on create ads. Once you click on grade as, this is the interface that will pop up. So you can see unit price here is actually from 86, but you can, since people are actually selling from 86 or what, you can actually set your own to be outstanding. You remove this 5 here, remove the 6 here and put 5, put in the amount of BTC you have. That is the amount of BTC you have. You can see we spent 124, 124,000, is it 888 naira. So you will have 130,388 naira. If you don't want to lower your price here, because I actually lower the price so that I will be on top. If you don't want to lower your price, you can actually set it back at that 86. With the 86, this is what you have: 131,900 naira. So that is just it. So let's go to our calculator and see how much we have actually earned. The amazing part is that this update is unlimited. You can do this often and often. Before I show you the exact amount we are going to make, please don't forget to subscribe to this video, okay? Thank you. Just encourage me by subscribing so that I will also be dropping updates like this for you guys every day and every time, okay? Our profit we made was, let's say, 130,900 naira, or 388 naira thereby, minus, we are going to minus with the initial capital that we used for this update, which was 124,000, let's say 900. So you have made 5,488 profit. So you can do this like 5 times, 4 times, even 6 times in a day, because it is unlimited, okay? Just depend on the grace you are carrying, how it's working for you, okay? So if you like this kind of video, like and share. Thank you.